show you how to fix a Nokia Lumia 635 broken touchscreen. And shut it off. So here I got the replacement part. See, the screen is badly broken. Battery. To get you some current. You will need a Torx T4 or T5 screwdriver. Start taking it apart. Not a very hard process at all. Really easy and simple if you're good with tech. I'm using a Torx T4, but a T5 works just fine. Now there is going to be a secret screw under this cover, right here. So I'm going to remove that. Now these will all be big, while the ones right here will be smaller. You do not need a pry tool, but I would recommend it. Okay, so you do that. The screen should be able to come away. Be able to do that. Now you will want to disconnect this flex. Very, very gentle. I will use my screwdriver. Okay, actually, no. There you go. Remove that. Take off this piece. Now you can just toss that away. I'll keep that. Now, I'll take this off. Oh, well, shoot. It came off. Get that on. We will set that on the broken one. Take the new one. Put that on. So like that. And now we will shut on. Close that up. Now, time to reassemble. I know you should always test the screen first. In this case, I'll just go ahead and do this. Sorry, the table's shaking. I'll just put screws in it for now. Okay, we'll just go ahead and test the screen. Turn it on. Okay. see, it's now fully working. Perfect. We'll finish putting it back together. As you can see, phone fully working. Thank you guys for watching the video.